I love this little air fryer toaster oven. It is super perfect. It is just the right size to fit on this tiny little piece of countertop. It seems like it's small inside, but honestly, these two pop out and it fits probably 4-ish pieces of toast. It's got, you can air fry, broil, toast, warm or defrost, and then it's got the timer right there. It's absolutely perfect. I put frozen nuggets in there on the air fry setting for 10 minutes and they came out perfectly crispy. And then do this right here. This is homemade bread, so it's, I don't know, pretty comparable to a loaf that you'd buy in the store. But here's 4 pieces on the little insert right there. And like, it's snug, but it 100% does the job. And it's such a perfect size that you can't go wrong. And it comes with the two racks. This one's got the mesh, which is perfect for air frying. And then there's this one. I just use this and clean it out. It wipes clean with a paper towel. It's perfect. I've been super happy. I've been using it probably once a day between just heating things up and having the air fry right here on the counter ready to go is what's been making all of the difference. Kid lunches, heating something up quick. It's just, I don't know, that's really what does it for me. It's perfect. I'm very, very happy. Oh, it's so cute.
So I just got this brand from Amazon. It's called the GreenLife. And I was just tired of all the air fryers from Walmart and Costco, how it releases toxic chemicals, carcinogen, cancer causing. But this brand, it's PFOA-Free. It does not release any toxic chemicals. It heats up pretty fast. I just put this baked salmon like 5 minutes ago and it's already like baking pretty good. Love the size. Love that it's toxic free. Affordable. It's like in the $40 range from Amazon. Highly recommend this. Called GreenLife.
My old toaster oven pans fit in here also. It's really big.